Hi everybody, it's Kim. I'm here with my husband Stu. We're driving tonight. Many people have asked me to do a nighttime drive with me, so here it is. It is 5:20 p.m. I just turned on all the apps. I have nothing yet. I don't know how busy it's going to be tonight, but we're going to give this a shot and hopefully it'll go smoothly and we'll make lots of money and it'll be entertaining. We'll see. So far, nothing. Not even an offer. But doesn't usually get busy till about 6. Ooh, here's something. Stella's Gourmet. Ooh, I've never had a Stella's. I'm not taking this one either, but $7.75 for 5.8 miles. $7.75, that's the main reason. But anyways, no thank you. But at least we got something. Have we ever been to Stella's?
Well,
I mean, I've been there, but I don't think I've picked up there. So anyways, at least I got one. We know the apps work. That was Doordash. Oh, Alamo, my other favorite place. I'm not taking this one. It's $9.50 for 4 items. Alamo, I like to eat there. I do not like to pick up from there.
Oh.
I took one, Sesame Inn, for...
Here, do it this way.
Yeah. I took a Sesame Inn for $10.25 for about 5 miles. So, might be more, maybe not, I don't know. But Sesame Inn early in the night is usually pretty good, so let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. So we're on our way there now. Got to the restaurant about 5 minutes early. Food was ready. It's now in the car and we're heading to the customer. Just a second, I'm gonna get the address. La-di-da. Come on. Going to Dos Vientos, but I'm not sure which way yet.
Well, we're down this far.
Yeah.
This way.
We have the gate code, which is an added plus.
On the back side.
Okay, 7 minutes. Yes, we're going to turn left on Reno. About 6 minutes away, 2.9 miles. So, not bad. Should be pretty quick. And we have the gate code, which is awesome. That's one less thing we have to worry about. And I'll let you know what happens after we drop off the food. Alright, dropped off that Sesame Inn. Came to $10.25 as advertised. Base pay $4.75 and the tip was $5.50. It was very easy. Did not take long. She gave us the gate code, which is great. And now we're heading back to get something else. I'm going to let this run until I get something. Okay, we're back near all the restaurants.
9:41 tonight.
Well, that was exciting for a second. It's been kind of dead, but it's not 6 o'clock yet. That's when we usually start taking off. It's ooh, Grubhub. Forgot I even turned that on. Okay, this is actually decent. It's $14.72 for 5 miles, going to Wendy's to Dos Vientos. I'm gonna take this.
A Wendy's order?
Yep.
Okay.
Give it a shot.
Surprise, surprise.
Here's an Islands to Camarillo
Yeah.
for $15.75. Camarillo is another city. You're not going there for $15.75, especially to Islands.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good point.
We did it, but it was $25.
Yeah.
It was not $15.
Yeah, that was the first one out of the gate. And then we picked the one up to Simi or whatever it was, right? Moorpark.
Yeah.
That was a great night. You know, you can...
Well, this is new. It says 5:58 pickup. It's 5:48 right now, but I'll go there anyways. If you accept a Wendy's order, please feel free to head straight to the restaurant and go inside to check on the order. Park in the lot and identify your order. If the dining room is closed, please proceed to the drive-thru. And tell them, I'm with Grubhub, and identify your order by name. So if you didn't know how to do it, I guess.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go. I got a Doordash, $11.75. Oh, PetSmart. No.
2 items.
11
100-pound bag.
11
Yeah, okay, 11
items.
1,100-pound bags of dog food.
No, thank you. PetSmart scares me. For enough money, I might try it. I don't know. Viet Kitchen, $6.50 for 5.5 miles. Decline. At least we're getting stuff now. This is exciting. Nothing good, but 14 something to go to Dos Vientos. That's not bad. Here I am at Wendy's. Arrived. It will not be ready. It's never ready.
And it's Grubhub, right?
Yeah. Even if I was 20 minutes later, it wouldn't be ready. But because they don't make it till you get here.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm not even sure. I told you about the McDonald's. I think I did. Anyways, I dropped off the McDonald's already. That was easy pickup, easy drop off. Now we're on our way to the Wendy's drop off. 3.5 miles, 6 minutes. It's a Grubhub, so there'll be nothing really to report there unless something happens on the drop off. But let's hope that doesn't happen. Let me make sure I have a gate code here. I don't even know if there is a gate code. There is no gate code listed. I don't think I need one for that neighborhood, but we'll see. Hope for the best. Let you know. All right. Dropped off the Wendy's. That was easy drop off. No gate code needed. And now we're out here in Dos Vientos again, so we can't really get anything except for there's a sushi restaurant out here. Not sure if I even said anything, but we just delivered that one from Pickles. It was 11 something. It literally took 30 seconds to deliver. I did have to wait about a minute in there for them to box it up, but very easy, very easy. Okay, $16.25 for 6.9 miles. Oh, that's going into Camarillo. Leisure Village for $16.25. What do you think?
Guard gate. We could do it.
Want to try?
Sure. For
Going
who?
to Viet Kitchens. Is that Vietnamese place? Not here. Wendy.
Oh, Wendy. Ah, yeah. And,
I'm going to take this. We may live to regret it, but we're going to give it a shot. It's right on the other side of the grade, so though I hate...
Eat at Burger Barn.
That's true, we could do that. We'll see how good
we
this
really
is.
haven't had much tonight anyway, so...
Okay, got that Camarillo order dropped off. Viet Kitchen. Did not take very long. Said it was going to be a 6-minute drive, and then it was like 2 or 3 minutes to find the apartment. Yes, it was an apartment. I don't know this area well enough to be able to look at the map and tell you that, so... Oh well, it was fine. I figured it out.
It was 9 minutes.
9 minutes, sorry.
Right there. Now it's 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Anyways. Yeah. So I don't have anything else. Doordash says it's going to look for order to Henby back to my zone. I've never seen that actually happen, but who knows, maybe it will. And I have the other apps on too, which may give me something, maybe not.
We have a very long way to go in Camarillo till we hit the freeway.
And I'm kind of glad we're going the other direction now. We were driving directly into the sun, and I don't have my sunglasses in here. That was kind of painful.
Oh, sorry.
Time since we hit the malls. So we're giving up. We're gonna go have dinner at Cafe Rio. The apps have about 20 seconds left to give me something to lure me away, but I don't think it's happening. So yeah, we're gonna go have dinner and give up, and I don't have any idea how much we made. Hopefully enough.
Yeah,
But,
some days are diamonds and some days are
Yeah, this
ruts.
was kind of dud for a Friday. We usually do pretty good, but oh well, is what it is. We're good. Gonna go have some food. And
nice close to the evening. Oh,
7-Eleven.
Oh God. I'm parking.
Ooh, $4.50.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen,
The end. It's the end of the night as we know it.
yeah.
$27 in Doordash. Uber Eats was $9.78, and I did 2 Grubhubs that equal up to Da, 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 da. $25.99. So that's how much we made.
Oh, wait a minute. 37 what? 37.29, right?
So 26.
37.25.
26.
26.
$9.78.
Okay, so that's.
Ooh, Cafe Rio. Ooh, $12.50. Where's it going? Far. Too far. Okay.
26.
And 10.
36 was
And-
9.35.
No, it was $9.87.
Fine, 36 and
27.
27 is.
And look, it says it's busy. You liars. Look, it says
40,
busy.
50,
We did not get anything.
37,
Okay,
50,
goodbye.
60 bucks.